Imagine you're about to embark on a dream vacation. You've got your flights booked, your hotel reservations made, and you're just itching to explore new horizons. But before you pack your bags, there's one burning question. Can you earn miles using Favepay? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Favepay, with its sleek interface and convenient features, has become a popular choice for digital payments. But does it offer the same rewards as traditional credit cards? Let's dive into the world of Favepay and explore its rewards program. First things first, what is Favepay? It's a mobile payment app that allows you to make seamless transactions at various merchants. But can you use it to rack up those coveted airline miles? Unfortunately, as of now, Favepay does not have a direct partnership with any airline mileage programs. This means that you won't be able to earn miles directly by using Favepay to make purchases. Exploring alternatives. But don't despair. While Favepay itself may not offer airline miles, there are still ways to earn rewards using the app. One option is to look for Favepay promotions and partnerships with other loyalty programs. These partnerships can offer you points, discounts, or other perks that you can redeem for rewards. Another strategy is to use Favepay in conjunction with your existing credit cards. Many credit cards offer bonus points or miles for specific categories of spending. By using Favepay to make purchases in these categories, you can maximize your rewards. Additional considerations. While Favepay may not be the direct path to airline miles, it's still a valuable tool for managing your finances. Its convenient features and secure payment options make it a great choice for everyday transactions. If earning miles is a top priority for you, consider exploring credit cards that offer generous rewards programs. These cards often have higher annual fees but can provide significant value if you're a frequent traveler. So, to answer the original question, no, Favepay does not directly earn miles. However, by understanding the app's features and exploring alternative rewards programs, you can still make the most of your Favepay experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.